What's up YouTube, it's my 2020 bike check on my 2019 Trek Remedy 8. Here at the bike, we've got 780mm wide bars, we've got ODI grips on both sides, we've got for stopping power, we've got SRAM guides, 180mm rotors front and rear, and then we've got a 35 stem, and then come down to the suspension fork, we've got a RockShox Lyric, 160mm suspension. Come down to the tyres, we've got Bontrager alloy rims, and then come to the actual tyres, we've got Bontrager XR5 and XR4 on the rear. They come in 27.5 and 2.6 inch wide. So come to the middle of the bike, we've got 150mm Bontrager drop posts, and then we've got a Filoc water bottle here. This is a magnetic system to latch into place, no cage as you can see, super sleek looking. And then we've got a Crank Brothers pump here, very nice, very slick looking, pumps up air, pumps up your tyres really good. And then come down to suspension, we've got a RockShox Deluxe with 150mm suspension. It's got 3-way lockout, that's open, fully locked out, but you still feel it, and that's quarter locked out. Come down to the cranks, we've got 175mm cranks. We've got an MRP upper chain guide, a 32 chain ring, and come down to your pedals, we've got Nuke Proof Horizon Pro flats. Come to the rear of the bike, we've got a SRAM GX for our shifting with 52:2 gear ratio, and then for my tyres, we've got tubeless tyres in them, and then we've got a SRAM 12-speed chain. Thanks for watching my 2020 bike check, have a good one.